my dear students of Standard 7. How are you? I think you are well. I am also by Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we have to start exercise 5.4, topic exercise MCQ. Number 1. At first I read question, which one is the square of A minus B? A minus B whole square. Here apply rules a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means a square minus 10a plus 25. Look, it is the option of B, so correct answer B. Next, which one of the value x plus y का whole square plus 2 into x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y का whole square. I write here x plus y whole square plus 2x plus y x minus y plus x minus y whole square. Look here a 2a b square. Apply rules here. A square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square, that means a plus b whole square. Writing here y x whole square, that means 4x square, that means correct answer option C. Question number 3, given here a plus b equal to 4 and a minus b equal to 2, we have to find out a minus b equal what? We know that a plus b we know that a b equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Putting the value a plus b, look here 4. Put the value a plus b 4, a minus b 2. Cutting 4 divided to 2 whole square minus 1 whole square, that means 4 minus 1 3. Correct answer, that means option A is correct answer. Students, question number 4, I read question first. If a quantity is divisible without remainder by any quantity, what is called dividend in respect of divisor? The student, by the definition of factor, we get correct answer is D, that means factor. Number 5, first expression given here A, second expression A square. You can write like this, A into A. Third expression A plus B whole square, that means A into A plus B. Place common multiples, that is LCM. Here look, A and A comes here, A plus B, 2 times of A plus B. So comes here 2 times of A plus B, that means A square, A plus B whole square. It is answer, that means correct answer D. Option D, correct answer. The student, next number 6, first expression twice A, second expression 3B given here. ACF, there is no any number common here. 2 and 3, there is no factors common here. A and B, there is no common here. So ACF is on. Next, number 7, A plus B whole square, A square plus YB plus B square, by rule, correct. It is correct. It is one kind of rule. Next, 4A, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. You can write A plus B whole square, that is A square plus YB plus B square. Here, A square minus YB plus B square, 2AB, cutting here. A square, 2A square, B square, 2B square. It is not correct. Left side 4AB, right side 2A square plus B square is not correct. A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B, by rule correct. So correct answer B. Students, next question number 8, first expression given here, x cube y cube common here, xy common here, x square minus y square, xy, x plus y, x minus y, that is correct answer D. Question number 9, second expression x minus y, x plus 2y, ACF here, look, common factor xy, so ACF x minus y, correct answer B. Number 10, LCM, look here, xy xy and here xy, x plus y, x minus y. Here x minus y I have already write here. So x plus 2y comes here. That means xy, x square minus y square, x plus 2y. It is correct answer. Correct answer number C. The student next question number 11. First expression given here 9x square minus 25y square. Convert into rules. We write 9 3x whole square minus 5y whole square. Rules apply here. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Second expression 15ax minus 25ay, 5a common here. That means 3x minus 5y. Look, 5a, there is no any factors here. So 5a comes here. 3x plus 5y and uncommon factor. 3x minus 5y as common factor. So we get a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. That means 5a 9x square minus 25y square. So correct answer D. Question number 12. First expression given here x cube y 5. X cube 3 times of x cube. That means x. We can write like this. 5 times of y. We can write like this. Y 5 times of y multiply here. Second expression x square minus b square. Rules apply. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Look, two expression there is no common factor of two expression. So ACF 1. Correct answer D. The students question number 13 given that x minus 1 by x equals 0. First option given here x equal 1, then left side x minus 1 by x equal, putting value of x equal 1 minus 1 by 1, that means 1 minus 1 equal 0 equal right side, left side and right side. So it is correct option. Option number 1 correct. Then x minus 1, when x equal to minus 1, then left side x minus 1 by x, putting the value of x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 minus plus, that means minus 1 plus 1, that means 0 right side. It is also correct option. Number 3, from 1 and 2, option from 1 and 2, we get when x equal 1, x minus 1 both are correct. So we get x equal plus minus 1 is also correct. So correct answer D. So correct answer D. Next dear students, question number 15. Given that a plus 1 by equal 4, we have to find out a square minus 4a plus 1. We can write like this. LCM a, there is denominator as denominator 1, multiply numerator a square plus 1 from here. Cross multiplication here, a square plus 1 multiply 4a, 4 comes here plus comes here minus a square minus 4a plus 1 equal to 0. That means correct answer D. Next 15, a plus b, that means a plus 5 whole square. Apply the rules of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square 2 5 10 a plus 25. That means correct answer A. Students, next question number 16. Given that a plus b equal to 8 and a minus b equal 4, we know that ab equal a plus b divided 2 whole square minus a minus divided 2 whole square. Putting the value a plus b here 8, a minus b 4, cutting 8 divided by 2, that means 4 divided by 2 4 whole square minus 2 whole square, 4 whole square we get 16, 2 whole square we get 4 subtract from 16, that means 12. So correct answer 6. Dear students, your HW same as CW, practice at your home of this MCQ. Any problem, send your problem my email ID akaidb05@gmail.com. The students, no more today. See you again in the next video class. Allah Hafiz.